Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find sale price per square foot on Trulia. First, you want to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to hover over buy. Then you're going to tap on homes for sale. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on any price and you could enter in your mid price, the price that you like. You can also select the beds. You can also tap on home type, and let's say for example I were to select house. After doing that, all I'll need to do now, you could select more. Then you can scroll down and you can further edit the listing, whether you like to see listing based on agent listed or foreclosure or so on. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and you can enter in the minimum square foot. So let's say for example 1,000. Then we're just going to tap on view homes. After selecting view homes, let's say for instance we were to select this listing right here. You're going to scroll down, and once you have scrolled down, you're going to see the price / square feet, and you can see it right here. So it is $708 per square feet. That's the sales price per square feet, as you can see right there. You can also see more information about the listing by scrolling down, as you can see right here. And if you are interested, you could request information by tapping on request info, or you could choose to schedule a tour. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.